Happy New Year's! It's finally 2023 and I'm glad 2022 is over because there has been little ups and downs here and there. So, first things first, I know this is a scenario video, but I wanted to explain my new yearly, project. So as you'll know, I have not been posting at all for months and months, and big changes have happened. Instead of being in middle school, I'm now in high school, and it's a lot harder than I thought it would be. But I have made a lot of supporting friends along the way, and I'm super excited to go back to what I really enjoy doing. Whether I get good opinions and bad opinions from it, I just want to do what I think is what I like, because it's really not all about the people who dislike my things, but I kind of want to do what I enjoy, what's me. So I made this Slither.io video because, as y'all know, it's my most watched type of genre. I posted some other gaming videos, but you guys didn't really seem to like those ones as much as you guys did with the Slither.io ones. So I'm gonna post this one as a test, but they're gonna be all the good, interesting gameplays. But this time I'm not gonna talk, cause no. I wanna statistically work around YouTube and see what you guys like better and what works best for my channel. And yeah. my next video is going to be about baking, which you guys seem to really like my sugar cookie one, but this time, since I learned from the previous things I did, I'm going to make this one more interesting. Instead of making it just baking cookies, we are going to be baking late Christmas cookies, which is a little twist to it, but I hope you guys enjoy that too. So that's going to be coming out next week or so, whenever my notebook paper says, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!